Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana. If you're new here, welcome. If not, hello. Thanks for watching my videos. I only get about 5 views per video, but you know, it's whatever. But anyways, so to just address the lighting situation really quickly, I do have my normal room light on and I have my ring light because it just seemed really dark. And so then I also had the window open and I just haven't closed it. So there's a little natural lighting coming in, which is probably going to fade away because it is now 5:53, so I might have a few more hours, but it's gonna slowly get darker. But anyways, so today's video is a BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is my first BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. You pay $25 per month for the base box, if that's the one that you want. It's said to have an average value of $120 per box, so it should be, you know, more than that. It is monthly and they give you beauty products, so you get like skincare, you get makeup and stuff like that, and then you should get about 5 items, and it does allow for like customization and all that stuff on it, so that's really nice. Then they have 2 other boxes. So they have the Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly box, but you can only get that if you have a BoxyCharm base box subscription. So with the Boxy Luxe, it has an average value of $250. It's $50 a month, quarterly. So like I said, it's gonna come every March, June, 3 months after that, then 3 months after that. So I didn't feel like doing the math on that. I think September and December, question mark. But anyways, so you'll get that, and that one actually comes with 8+ products, and you get beauty and lifestyle products. So I did watch some unboxings of that, and people receive like curling irons and stuff like that. And then you can pick up the 2 items like out of your 8. They have like a little window. And then the last box is the Boxy Premium. It is $175 value. It's $35 a month. That one is a monthly subscription. You do not have to have the base box to get the premium box. So once you upgrade the premium and you're moved off the wait list, you can go ahead and cancel the regular base box. Boxy Luxe, you can't do that, or else you won't get Boxy Luxe, because you have to get the regular box the other months. And then on the months where Boxy Luxe comes out, they'll give you the Boxy Luxe instead of the BoxyCharm. Anyways, back to premium. With that one, it's monthly. You get 6 to 7 beauty items, and then you can pick 1 item. So I have the BoxyCharm regular subscription now, and then I was looking at Boxy Luxe and I was like, I kind of want that one, so I did go ahead and upgrade to Boxy Luxe. But because I upgraded 48 hours after I purchased my Boxy base, they are going to just send me like a starter box, which isn't going to be like the full Boxy Luxe, but my base box and then that starter box is supposed to combine enough to equal a Luxe box. So anyways, so here is the box. So BoxyCharm. And so because I was a new customer, I did have the option to pick like a skincare item or this palette. So I did choose this Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. So this is what it looks like. I can't tell with the light in, so sorry if that looks bad. I've never had anything from Ace Beauty, so I don't know what like the stuff is like, but it was free, so I was like, okay. I'm not big on skincare. I need to be, so I probably should have got the skincare item, but this is what the palette looks like. And then here's the colors. So it's really pretty. It's a lot of reds and stuff. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'm trying not to have the mirror show up. The little plastic fell out. So I'm just going to like take this Aurora, because that's a really pretty color, and swatch it on my hand. And I'll do Maui. Oh, that's really pretty. And then I'll do, ooh, Bahamas. That's a matte shade. Ooh, okay. I feel like the looks I can create with this would be really nice. So this is Aurora in the middle. This is Maui, and then this is Bahamas. So those are really pretty colors. So I'm excited to play with this palette. I don't really play with eyeshadow palettes enough. All my eyeshadow palettes at the moment that I use constantly are Jeffree Star. So hopefully with this I start to use other brands. and I'm not just stuck up Jeffree Star's butt, you know? So anyways, now we're gonna get into the box. It did come taped, so I need to open it really quickly, sorry. Okay, so here we have the BoxyCharm box now. So when you open it up, it does come with everything just showing there. So let's go ahead and open this here. Okay, so I don't see the little card here, which I know normally it does come with the card. So I don't know what any of these products are. Alright, so here we have Iconic London. It looks like some kind of like lipstick or something here. Wow, for my first box, I'm kind of upset that it doesn't have the card in it. Okay. Is this a lip gloss? It looks like a lip gloss. Yeah, there's no like, there's like a slight tint to it, but it's like pretty much clear. So this is this right here. So Iconic London lip gloss. I don't know the value of that. So there's that. Here we have the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So this looks like maybe an eye cream. I don't know if my camera's picking up on it. Okay. So yeah, this is an eye cream. I've never used an eye cream before, so I'm gonna have to like read about it and how you use it. This is what it looks like in the little box. So there's that. And then, okay, so it's like a white formula. It smells like skincare, so that's cool. Okay, well, I wonder how moisturizing it is. See, I can't. Okay, it feels really light, so it is like pretty moisturizing here. Yeah. Like I said, I've never used an eye cream before, so I'm definitely gonna have to like read about how this is supposed to work and what it's supposed to do and test it out that way. Here next I'm gonna pull out the next thing that's kind that's just kind of okay. And that is this here. It is a beauty sponge from Illuminati Cosmetics. So just a regular beauty sponge that you would use for foundation and stuff. I do need a new one, so that's nice. It's a little, it's soft. So, and then I'm sure once you like wet it, it's gonna blow up, and then you use it for your foundation. So there's that. I'm gonna have to look up all this stuff so I can see how much it is, because I don't know. All right, and so then next we have, oh, okay, so I was hoping I would get something like this. So this is called the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take, oh, it comes with a little scooper. Yes, okay. But you're supposed to take and, man, long nails. How do you open this bitch? Anyways, you're supposed to take some of the stuff, and I think it's like a, yeah, it's like a balm consistency. So you would take it and you would scoop it out with either your finger or this, but I have claws, so I'm just gonna use this. Scoop it out. You will put it in your hands, and it's supposed to turn kind of oily. So then once it's oily, you put it on your face, and it melts away your cleaning, your makeup. There we go. That's what I was trying to say. But I dropped something, and now my mind is just kind of like all over the place. Okay, so then the last thing we have here, I'm going to put that down because that's getting in the way, is this Living in Color palette. So here's what it looks like from Hank and Henry. Okay, and so then out of the unicarton, if I can get it out of the unicarton, oh my god. Okay, there we go. Jesus, that was painful. Okay, so here's what the palette looks like. It's kind of thick. Let's see. Oh, those shades are a lot smaller than I was anticipating. So this is what the shades look like. They're really I have so many eyeshadow palettes, so I'm really just like not really enthusiastic about them as much. But we're gonna swatch it and see how it looks. The only thing I don't like so far about this palette is, like I said, the pan sizes are incredibly small. But also the eyeshadow names are on the back instead of like on the front. So I can't see them. Oh, it wasn't a shade there. I was gonna say, where'd the shade go? Alright, and so then here is the shades that I swatched. It's just like the top row of it. So, Sultry, Sin, Fuchsia, and Petticock. Alright, so those are the shades. So this one, like I said, is Sultry Sin. Sultry Sin. This is the Petticock, and this is the Fuchsia. Yeah, I don't know the names of those. So there's that. So I'm gonna actually go off camera for a little bit and see if I can figure out how much all this stuff costs. And then I'll be back with the value of my first BoxyCharm box. Which, okay, so by the way, March is a Luxe month. Again, I upgraded to the BoxyLuxe more than 48 hours after I signed up for the BoxyCharm. God, I can't talk. Okay, and so I'm getting the starter kit. That hasn't shipped out yet, so obviously I don't have it here. But I should be receiving it soon. Once I receive that, I will come back and unbox that for you. Recap what I have here just so we don't forget, and then add the total together again for it to see if it equals up a BoxyLuxe value. There we go. But I'm gonna go now to add the value of this so we can know right now how much this base box is. Okay guys, I'm back from finding out the value of all these products here. Let's just say some of them I'm a little just like, huh, okay. So the first two things that we're gonna start off with are the lip gloss and the beauty sponge, because they weren't under the March like BoxyCharm like items. Like, so when you go onto the website, what you can do is you can take and you can look under it. I mean, you can review all the items that get charms, and with charms, like 50 charms is like 50 cents, and so you can get save them up, of course, and then purchase stuff with them. Well, anyways, these items were not part of that list. I went through the list 4 times just to make sure I wasn't tripping. So I did go onto the websites where these are sold. And so this one is the Iconic London Pumping Lip Gloss. This says that it retails for $26. So that's an expensive lip gloss. Yeah. And then here we have the Illuminati Cosmetics, like cosmetic sponge. This says that it retails for $21. So there's that. I use Real Technique or Morphe, and those are like 6 and 8. So but anyway, so that was those 2 items. And so then the Cherry Cleansing Balm, that was on the website, on BoxyCharm site. That does retail for $34. So they say this retails for $34. So that's nice. I'm glad to have that, because I'm not. I wouldn't buy that. Now, this one retails for $27. So this palette here is $27 for 9 shades. And the shade pan sizes are extremely small. So there's that. And then we have the eye cream. This eye cream was the most expensive thing that I could find. I mean, that was in this box. This was $70. So there's that. So that had me shook. This one little item paid for the price of the entire box. Well, for the base box. Once I get the BoxyLuxe, we'll see how much all of that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these up because I haven't done that yet. So let's see. So this ranges to be a total of $178. So I definitely got my value for the Luxe Box, which I still got to get the starter portion of it, and then this with just these items. Excuse me. I didn't include that first palette that I showed because that again was something that I added on for free with the like new customer kind of thing. So there's that. I can't say, there's just, for this to be my first base box, I was a little disappointed. I'm not hating on the box at all because I do think I definitely got my values worth. I don't know how I feel about this item yet. I'm gonna have to play around with it, see if I can maybe make a look out of it, see how I like it, how it performs on my eyes, on my skin tone, all of that, because as of right now the swatches they left a little to be desired. They're not like, oh, look at these colors, like, you know. And now these two items, this one, like I said, I'm super excited for this one because I need like something like this to get the makeup off my face at night. So I'm excited for this one. This one, I've never used an eye cream before, so I'm excited to try this to see how they work, and then maybe I can start building my skincare routine because I don't have one. So, but for now, we're gonna enjoy the items that we received. Like I said, I'll be back once I get the second half of my Luxe box, so like the starter base, and then we'll see how that what comes into that one. So yeah, and then I'll be back of course for the April box once I actually receive the April box. But for right now, this is all we have. And for my first box, like I said, I didn't get my card, so that was kind of upsetting to tell me like how much everything is. So I had to actually go through the website. Didn't see two of the items on the website, so that kind of confuses me. Like, were they just like last minute, let's throw this in the box because we don't have any more of the other items? I don't know. And then there was no tissue paper or anything, so I mean, which that doesn't really bother me because nothing was damaged, nothing was leaking, none of that, so it didn't bother me too much. But just was shocking, that's all. But yeah, so I'm gonna go review these things so I can get some charms for my items, and then like I said, I will see you in the next one.